Hello everyone, dear friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can uncover hidden emails and spam and see who they are from on your iPhone on iOS 18. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please friends. Also put your likes and write your comments. So let's get down with you, friends, to our topic. First of all, you will need on your iPhone to find and open the Mail app. Now from the top left, click on the Mailboxes section. Next, select this option here. And here you will be able to find the spam emails that someone has sent you. Now you can just go to any of the emails and then just read that email. If you are sure that you do not know from the ruler, can look at the sender. If you're sure you don't know who sent you this email, and it's probably spam, then scroll down to the bottom, select this option. Now friends, you will also need to scroll down to the bottom of the menu and then select the Block User section. So friends, you will no longer receive any emails from this sender, and you don't have to worry that from that person or from the ruler, you will receive certain spam content. That's how friends, you can find and uncover hidden spam emails on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. See you soon.